Do you already know about dropshipping business with Oberlo and Shopify? Or maybe you want to be always in the black without paying such a big commission? I'm ready to show the alternative way for your dropshipping business. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Anna and today I will show you our calculations for dropshippers who use different platforms, Oberlo with Shopify and Ali Dropship with WordPress. At the end of the video there is a bonus for you, a special discount coupon for free hosting, which I will show you how to apply. So let's start! How much money do you need to pay for the dropshipping services that make it easy to start and run a successful dropshipping business? Here's our table, which costs for the first year of usage of two e-commerce platforms, Oberlo with Shopify and Ali Dropship with WordPress. Monthly payments seem a bit unfair, right? Especially when you're just a newbie who needs to slice and dice it first. Here are the costs for basic plans of Shopify and Oberlo on the left side, which you pay during the first year. Your monthly payment in this case will come up to $58.90. You will have to pay $29 for Shopify, an e-commerce platform, and $29.90 for Oberlo app each month. You have probably already seen that Oberlo is promoted as a free app. Though the free version has very limited functionality, you won't be able to process more than 50 orders per month, and your tracking in the starter plan. Hosting could be free if you are ready for their terms, though there is no much thing as a free lunch. Now, check the right side of the table. WordPress is a forever free platform. You won't have to pay anything for it. Ali Dropship costs only $89. And it's a one-time payment. It means that you will be able to use it and get your updates free of charge after you buy it. A year of hosting will cost you $48 if you choose Ali Dropship one. It's up to you. But still, do you see this enormous difference in numbers? $58.90 is 5 times as much as $11.42. I'm not telling you right now about all the add-ons that you will need in your stores. All of them cost money in Shopify, while Ali Dropship provides most of them for free. Let's move to the estimates of your sales and profit. Look at the first option. For example, you pay $500 revenue and get 10 sales during the month. Let's minus the money you pay for your ads and to the supplier. Here is your $200 profit. But now we need to move ahead and pay for our services. You will have to pay 2% of your revenue for transaction fees to Shopify besides your monthly cost, while Ali Dropship gives you up to 12% cash back. Now, look at our totals. How do you like these numbers? If you still don't feel much difference, let's look at the second option. I don't feel like I need to explain the difference anymore. Just look at the numbers. Almost $5,000 difference in your total profit during the year. Actually, you will always have to pay to Shopify, and meanwhile, Ali Dropship hopes to earn more with every year purchase. No limits on products and sales, and yes, that's why we use it. Ali Dropship doesn't limit you on the number of products or sales on your web store. Even if there are thousands of products and millions of orders on your site, you don't need to pay any extra fees. Remember, I've promised to give you a special coupon. This coupon will provide you with a free hosting during the year if you use our coupon during the checkout process. Go to alidropship.com and click Buy Plugin tab. Put your tick to include hosting section and redeem this coupon. Complete the purchase and now you get your free hosting and the coolest plugin ever. Stay on top and earn as much as you need without any extra commissions. Check out our other videos to learn how to set up and promote your web store. You can find more valuable info about dropshipping in our next videos too. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Suggest your topics for our future videos. See you!